Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing infographic. So first of all, go to format background and you're going to give it this gradient of white and gray. And you can also change the angle. And so as you can see, let me just insert a rounded corner rectangle, make it fully rounded and decrease its length and height. And you're going to insert a rectangle, select both of them and subtract them. The next thing you're going to do is insert a rectangle, select first the rounded corner rectangle, go to format shape and give it some shadow. This one shadow, increases transparency and increase the distance. The next thing you're going to do is change its color to green and remove its outline. Give it another shadow and you're going to decrease its transparency. Put this rectangle on it and select both of them and subtract them. Duplicate the shape and you're gonna rotate it like this. Put it next below the first shape and you're gonna change both of their color to white and you're gonna like put them right here like this and you're gonna insert the rounded corner rectangle on top and you're gonna change both of these shapes colors and adjust them in a way that it looks that the rounded corner rectangle is on top of it. Select all of these and press Ctrl plus G to group them and duplicate them by pressing Ctrl plus G. Ungroup them. Select both these rounded corner rectangles of blue color and give it some outline and shadow. The next thing you're going to do is select these rectangles and change their colors. For the second rectangle, I'm gonna use purple and select all of these and duplicate them by pressing Ctrl plus J. We're gonna select only the rounded corner rectangles of the third shape that are purple in color and we're gonna change their color. Let me just use blue. Yeah, no, red doesn't look right. Let me just use sky blue color. Yeah, this one would be okay. So this is how it looks. Let me just adjust all of these. Insert a text box in which we're gonna write your text. Let me change its color to white and increase its size. And yeah, there you go. I'm gonna place it right here, copy it and paste it and put that one onto the second one and we're gonna like change the text and duplicate it again and you're gonna place it onto the third one and you're gonna write like change the text and select all of these and align them into the center. So there you go. We're gonna like adjust them and align them manually. There you go. Insert another large text box in which you're gonna write your content text. You're gonna give it some spacing. There you go. Select this and bold the header and put it right here. Select the text and bold it as well. Increase its size and put it into the center and the middle of that first shape. We're gonna like duplicate it. Let me just copy it and paste it and put that one onto the second and the third shapes as well. So this is how it looks right now. The next thing we're gonna do is select all of these and align them. So we're just gonna align them manually as we can do it using that arrange option because that will align it into the center and the middle of the template. So we want it to be like arranged and aligned into the center and middle of the shapes, not the slide. So that is how it looks. There you go. Let me just adjust all of the stuff and move the and reposition the infographic shapes. Adjust your text and group it by pressing Ctrl plus G. Go to Insert tab and insert a text box for the header of the entire slide. So the thing I'm gonna use is just infographic template. You can use just some other kind of title as you wish to use and you can also change its color. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And you can also check out my Patreon link in the description to get more of free stuff and amazing PowerPoint templates for completely free from the link in the description. The final thing you're gonna do is give the animation of lion. You can also give the animation of vibe, and let's just change the directions and use animation painter to duplicate that animation. So that was all for today. Meet you in another video soon.